Hi everyone, welcome back to day 13 of the Power Query Editor Challenge. Yesterday we learned how to create conditional column by setting rules. So today we will be taking it further by creating custom column where you can write your own formula for more flexibility. So today we'll be learning add custom column in Power Query Editor. Why custom column? Conditional column are good for simple like if then, like I told you, it works like if rule. But when you need more control, like combining text, doing mathematics, doing writing formula or writing multiple condition, you can use also custom column to get that. But before we go into Power Query Editor, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Go to YouTube channel. When you're in YouTube channel or you are right where you are right now, go to my channel, click on my channel, then click on the subscribe button and share. You can also share this link with people that need it with your network. So now make sure you subscribe to my channel and also click the notification button. So let's get started by going into Power Query Editor. So the link to day 1 to day 12 is in this video description. You can click on the links. It will take you to the video or the playlist of this 30-day Power Query Editor so that you'll be able to navigate your way and also learn more about Power Query Editor from day 1 to day 12. So now looking at this video now, I want to write formula. I want to get my profit table. We have the sales, we have the cost, the region, the customer name and the customer ID. But I want to get my profit. I want to get my profit from there, and you all know what profit is. So I want to create a custom column that will give me profit here. So all I need to do again, go to add column tab here. This is add column tab. We go to add column tab. Once you are in add column tab, you will see custom column. Then you click on custom column. So it will bring it to this. You will see this a new window or dialog box be opened where you can write formula using M language. So now what I'm going to be doing now is, what's my new column name? My new column name is profit. Then by default you will have seen this equals to sign. So now how do I want to, what's profit? You all know that profit is sales minus cost. So all I need to do is equals to sales. I will insert my sales here, then minus, click on my minus sign, then put my cost. You can see now no syntax error have been detected. That means my formula is okay. My formula does not have any error. So I'm going to click on OK. Can you see now we have our custom column now? We have our profit column we have our profit column now. So this creates a new column called profit. So it has created a new column now, and which is called profit. So now let's use, I want to concatenate, I want to like combine my customer name and my region name. Let's see, I want to combine text. So that's concatenate text. I want to use custom column function to concatenate text. So again, I'm going to click on the custom column, click on custom column. Then what's my custom my column name? I can just name it, let me just name it, or regional, let's say regional name. That's my custom column. So now, and it's now be equals to, so I'm going to like I'm combining customer name and the region, equals to customer name, then my hand sign. My hand sign is being used to combine it. Then introduce my or double quote again, then or that's my double quote, then a bracket and open bracket, also my or and sign, which is combination, is combining the customer, and then insert my region colon again, and sign, double quote, close your double quote, then my bracket. I'm going to close the bracket. You can see now no syntax error have been detected. So now I'm going to click on that. You can see that it has created or a new column, which is our regional name, which is combining the names with region, and also or with combining region name and the customer name. So the tips I want to tell you about it is, let's go back to this our cost conditional column. So now if you want to go back, just click this icon setting sign. So now tips is always check the error warning, this particular error warning, always check it in Power Query, because Power Query will show you if your formula syntax is wrong. So you can mix number and text, even data and function to in custom column. So this error, and assuming that I did not put this here, you can see now invalid literal, it's showing error. And if I say show error, it will show me where the error is. It will show me this is where the error is. So I have to put my error, my this. You can see now I've corrected the error, and then you see that no syntax error has been detected. So now today you've learned what custom column are, how to add them with formula. So now I'm asking you now to do your own custom column. Open your own data set and create at least 2 custom column. So the question for today will be, what's the most useful custom column you've created so far? What is the most useful custom column you've created so far? So I want to see your answer in the comment section. See you in tomorrow's video. Bye.